severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Come on, focus, idiot. There we go.
This is NOAA's weather radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is...
Dude, it has been it's been almost a month and a half since we've gotten any severe weather. Ah, crap, it's not showing up. Here, tell you what. Not on there yet. This was a mesoscale discussion for it, though. There we go.